What's today?
Freezing day.
It's planting day. That's your milk.
Yeah.
Do you want me to hold your milk?
Do you want?
Do you want me to hold your milk? By the way, we're driving on our farm. We're not being irresponsible parents.
No, this is
Okay, so it is officially gardening day for us. I'm a few days early technically to like our last frost date. But I am just too excited and I want to go and plant all the things. And my starts are kind of suffering. So currently right now, Stan is getting our skid steer so that we can get more composted horse manure to fill up our grow bags, because half of our grow bags are not filled up yet. And so we have to do that. And then the planting begins. And I'm so excited. That is what we are doing today. It is gardening day. And I am so excited and so ready. Yeah. Can you say hey? So we have a 100-acre farm that is in Stan's family. We're waiting on Daddy. And we do cows and horses. And so when you're seeing clips of us on the farm, that's where we are. But our garden is in our backyard. Anyhow, that seems confusing at all. That's where we are when we're going on the farm. It's our 100-acre farm that we have. Watch out for the coffee. It's hot, hot, hot. Whoa. Watch out for the coffee. Coffee.